If your life feels like something is missing, it's not what you think. Today, I want to talk to you about the proverbial elephant in the room. Yes, the elephant in the room wearing the bright purple leopard print tutu. It's definitely not subtle, and yet we tend to dismiss it or avoid acknowledging it. It's the truth that many women know they want something more, but they stay stuck in the same patterns because they never make the decision to choose themselves. In this video, I'm talking about the moment where awareness becomes a decision and why choosing yourself is the shift that changes everything. So if you've been feeling like something in your life is missing, hold on to your Lulus because I'm going to be straight with you. The thing that's missing in your life is you. You create your life. You are the center of your life. You manifest your life. Whether you're thinking it's love, money, health, success, happiness, freedom, joy, or adventure that's missing, I'm here to tell you the only reason any of those things are missing in your life is because you are missing in your life. We think it's the relationship or the money or the success or the joy that's going to fulfill us. But what's actually going to make you feel fulfilled is choosing yourself, because it's the relationship that you have with yourself that creates self trust, that creates the safety, the stability, the clarity, the confidence, and your ability to create and hold everything you desire. Without a trusting relationship with yourself, you will continue to self sabotage what you deeply want because you don't believe you're worthy of it. You'll keep putting yourself last because you don't value yourself enough to be first. You'll keep experiencing the same patterns no matter how hard you try to change them. Because without self trust, what you want, what you crave, will just keep slipping through your fingers. Not because it's unavailable to you, but because you have not changed. You haven't changed your relationship with yourself. But when you build self trust, that's when everything shifts. When you build a relationship of self trust with yourself, your identity shifts. How you see yourself shifts. You become a woman who knows herself, values herself, respects herself. You become a woman who believes in herself. You become a woman who chooses who she is and how she lives. You become a woman who lives with clarity and intention and self authority. You stop thinking that life is happening to you and you fully understand that life happens through you. You take your power back. You stop excluding yourself from all of the things that you want, all of the possibilities in your life, and you start claiming the possibilities of your life, the love, the money, the health, the success, the happiness, the freedom, the joy, the adventure. You move from being a passenger in this joyride called life to being the driver, the woman taking the wheel and choosing your own destinations, where you're going, how you live, who you are. You are no longer resigned to your life. You are aligned to your life and you're excited about it. Everything you want in your life begins with choosing yourself. You can't exclude yourself from your life and expect to get the life you want because you're missing from your life and you are the one who creates it. And here's the reality: we are all going to get to the end of our journey. We are all going to reach the end of our lives. And you do not want that to be the moment you wake up and realize you've been missing from your life and you missed it. That you were asleep at the wheel, waiting for life to happen to you. And meanwhile, life passed you by. That you were waiting instead of choosing, because then it's too late. But it is not too late right now. Right now, you still have a choice. You can choose yourself because choosing yourself isn't hard. It's just different than what you're used to. There's a path in life where you choose yourself, and there's a path in life where you abandon yourself. That's the opportunity that you have every day. Choosing yourself isn't one big dramatic moment. Okay. It's small, quiet moments. It's quiet self loyalty. It's keeping small promises to yourself. Every time you choose yourself, every time you follow through, you rebuild trust with yourself. Self trust is built in micro decisions. And once you have your own self trust, you stop asking the outside world who you're allowed to be. You choose who you are. So this week, choose one small promise to keep to yourself, one moment where you don't exclude yourself, one moment where you choose what's true for you. Put your needs first. Say what it is you want. Take that self time without guilt. Keep that promise to yourself and notice what shifts within you because self trust is built quietly, but it changes everything. If something in you knows you're done circling the same patterns, the same disappointments, you're ready to stop leaving yourself behind. You do not have to do this alone. Check the show notes, get on a call with me. If you're ready to rebuild self trust, release guilt, stop excluding yourself from everything that you deeply crave, and become the woman who chooses herself consistently, I'm here to support you in having everything you desire. Until next time, remember, resigned is not your destiny, and something magnificent is absolutely going to happen today. So expect it and celebrate it.